Hey, everyone. Have you ever found yourself utterly confused when trying to explain something important to someone else? Well, today, we're diving into the art effective communication through a detailed tutorial. Whether it's a work presentation, a school project, or just sharing a new idea with friends, mastering dialogue can make all the difference. Stick around as we unlock the secrets to delivering impactful and clear tutorials. First things first, what exactly is a dialogue in the context of teaching or sharing information? Dialogue is essentially a two-way interaction that involves not just conveying information, but also engaging your listener, encouraging them to think and respond. This approach not only keeps your audience attentive, but also ensures that they understand and retain the information better. Now, let's break down the process into clear, actionable steps. Step 1. Know your audience. Before you even start, ask yourself, who am I speaking to? Understanding your audience's age, background, and their level of knowledge on the topic can significantly change how you prepare your tutorial. Step 2. Set clear objectives. What are the key takeaways you want your audience to have by the end of your tutorial? Note these down as they will shape the way you plan your dialogue and presentation. Step 3. Structure your content. Start with an outline of the points you want to cover. A well-structured tutorial should have a clear introduction, a detailed body where the main content lives, and a concise conclusion to wrap things up. Step 4. Crafting your opening line. Your opening line is your hook. It should grab attention and set the tone for the rest of the tutorial. For example, today we're going to turn what might seem like a complex topic into something simple and easy to grasp. Step 5. Explain concepts with simplicity. Use analogies, simple language, and clear examples. If you're explaining a technical or complex idea, break it down. Use diagrams or visuals if that helps. Step 6. Engage with questions. Instead of just talking at your audience, ask questions that prompt them to think about the material. Like, can anyone think of an example where this technique might be useful? Step 7. Show real-life applications. People need to see the value of what they're learning. Share stories or case studies that demonstrate the practical application of the concepts you're discussing. Step 8. Summarize key points. As you transition towards the end of your tutorial, summarize the main points you've covered. This repetition helps in reinforcing the information for your audience. Step 9. Invite questions and provide clarification. Always allot time for questions and provide clear, thoughtful answers. This not only clarifies doubts but also deepens understanding. And that's a wrap on creating and delivering a powerful dialogue-driven tutorial. Remember, the goal is not just to speak, but to engage and inspire understanding. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more useful guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or share what tutorial you would like to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.